Have you ever looked at the golden arches of McDonald's or the bitten apple of Apple and instantly recognized the brand? That's the power of a great logo! But what exactly is logo design and why is it so important? Let's dive in. A logo is a visual symbol that represents a brand, business, or organization. It's more than just an image, it's a brand's identity in its simplest form. A well-designed logo tells a story, builds trust, and creates recognition in just a few seconds. But designing a great logo isn't just about making something look cool. It's about strategy, psychology, and creativity. So why do logos matter? A logo serves three major purposes. 1. Brand recognition. A good logo makes your business instantly recognizable. 1. Think of Nike's swoosh. You don't even need to see the company name to know who they are. 2. Professionalism and trust. A polished, well-thought-out logo gives a brand credibility. 2. A poorly designed logo, on the other hand, can make a business look unprofessional or unreliable. 3. Emotional connection. Colors, shapes, and fonts in a logo trigger emotions. 3. For example, blue often represents trust and professionalism, while red conveys energy and passion. Did you know there are different types of logos? Let's break them down. 1. Wordmark logos. These use only text, like Google or Coca-Cola. 2. Lettermark logos. Think IBM or HBO, where initials are used instead of full names. 3. Pictorial logos. These are simple symbols like Twitter's bird or Apple's apple. 4. Mascot logos. These feature illustrated characters like KFC's Colonel Sanders. 5. Combination marks. These mix text and symbols like Adidas or Burger King. 6. Emblem logos. These have text inside a shape like Starbucks or Harley-Davidson. A great logo is more than just eye-catching. It follows key design principles. 1. Simplicity. The best logos are simple and memorable. 2. Versatility. They work across different platforms, from business cards to billboards. 3. Timelessness. A strong logo remains relevant for years, avoiding trends that fade. 4. Relevance. It should align with the brand's message and audience. Creating a logo is a process that requires research, creativity, and refinement. Here's how professional designers do it. 1. Research and inspiration. Understanding the brand, competitors, and target audience. 2. Sketching and brainstorming. Drawing rough ideas before going digital. 3. Choosing colors and fonts. Selecting elements that fit the brand's personality. 4. Digital design. Using tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva to create the final logo. 5. Feedback and refinement. Making adjustments based on client feedback. 6. Final delivery. Exporting the logo in various formats for different uses. Now that you know what logo design is and why it's important, what do you think makes a truly great logo? If you're a designer or a business owner, take a moment to evaluate your logo and ask, does it represent my brand effectively? If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.